guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kenisha here. So guys, today in my video I am going to be making a DIY hair gel. I've made hair gel in the past, just using flaxseed and oil, but today I am gonna incorporate a few other items. This like I said, this is the first time I'm gonna make this type of it. It just popped into my head, and let's see how this is gonna go. So of course I have my flaxseed, and I want to add fenugreek in there. I have grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and I also want to make a tea base for it. So I have hibiscus and I have peppermint. I'm also going to be adding some aloe vera gel, and then I'm gonna be adding rosemary essential oil. I have my measuring stuff, and then I have something to put it in. I was looking for like a squeeze out bottle because I find it's easier to put it in that, but I couldn't, so I just have to settle for a mason jar. This guy. So what I'm going to do, I am gonna brew like 1 cup of water. I'm gonna have 1 cup of water, and I'm gonna brew my hibiscus and fenugreek. So I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of the peppermint, and about maybe 8 of the hibiscus flower. And in that water I'm also gonna add the fenugreek. Yes guys, so let's see how this turns out. And guys, I also want to say all of the ingredients that I'm using will be listed down in the description with their benefits. Yes, so guys, here I have my 1 cup of water, and I have my hibiscus flower. I'm just gonna take it and add it to my water, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for my peppermint leaf. And the peppermint leaf I bought at my grocery store. The hibiscus I bought on Amazon. Okay, I'm just gonna use 1 teaspoon. And then I'm gonna take my fenugreek, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup. About a 1/4 cup to this, and sorry guys, I couldn't find my spoon. I'm gonna mix this around. So so about the mess, I am gonna go put the flaxseed, and I'll be right back. So I have 2 cups of water here boiling, and then this is a 1/3 cup of flaxseed. I am gonna add it to the water, and what this process does is just extract the gel from the flaxseed. So I'm gonna leave this here to boil. You have to store it occasionally, so because you don't want the seeds to stick at the bottom, because that can cause the gel to burn. That's good. So I am just gonna leave that to boil, and I'll be back. So this is what it looks like when it's boiling. My water was already a bit hot before I added the seeds. I'm not sure what effect that's gonna have on my gel. Yeah, so as you can see, the gel has started to release already, so that's why it's all frothy. Yeah, so we're just gonna continue stirring, so that the seeds don't stick. Sorry guys, so that the seeds don't stick to the bottom. Look guys, look, can you see? kind of starting already. It's kind of starting. Guys, after about 5 minutes, this is how our gel is looking. As you can see, the water is getting thick. Sorry about the noise, guys. Yeah, so we're just gonna allow it to boil for a few more minutes. Oh guys, I thought I was recorded, looked down at my phone and realized that I wasn't. So what I did, I went ahead and added the tea that I brought, the hibiscus and fenugreek tea that I was brewing. I added it to the flaxseed after about 8 minutes. And the reason I decided to add the fenugreek to the flaxseed, I noticed that the flaxseed by itself, it has a kind of a slip. So I just thought it would be beneficial to add the both of them together. And then fenugreek, like, it's amazing for the hair. And like I said before, I'm gonna put all the ingredients and their benefits in the description. So if you want to know about them, just check them out. Check out the description, guys. Okay guys, so I am gonna go ahead and leave this to boil for the next 2 minutes. I'll simmer for the next 2 minutes. I'm gonna put it on low, like I put it on 3 right now, and I'm gonna leave it to simmer for a bit, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so here I have a large bowl, I have a strainer, and then I have a piece of cheesecloth. So this I'm gonna use to strain my gel. Okay guys, so I did not it did not work the way I thought it would work in my head. So the fenugreek sort of absorbed a lot of the water, and guys, it was so hard to strain. So I will remake this, but I'll use the seed instead. After it in a powder form, I'll use the whole seed. Yes guys, so this is what we got. What I did, let me show you guys the consistency. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Not what I thought it would, but I mean, when it gets colder, it's gonna get thicker. So what I went ahead and did is I added the like the seeds and everything back into the pot, and I added a cup of water. I am gonna allow this to boil for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna see what happens. Yes guys, it was kind of a fail, but we shall see. We shall see what the end result looks like. Okay guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I went ahead and strained this. I also added hibiscus tea back to it because I wanted that rich color, you know. Yes guys, so it's kind of watery, and that's because it's still warm. Yeah, so I am going to combine this with the other one, and yeah, combine both of them. As you can see, this one is it's really liquidy, but that's okay. As I say, as it cools, as you can see, it's gonna get really thick. As you can see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil. So in this thing, I added 3 teaspoons of each of my oil. So the avocado oil and the grapeseed oil, I have 3 tablespoons of each, and we're gonna go back and combine. I love the color. I love the color. So it's still a little bit warm. I'm gonna allow it to cool down for like 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna add my aloe vera gel and my essential oil. Okay guys, so this is how my gel looks, and it's gonna get thicker. It's gonna get thicker when it goes to the fridge. It's gonna get thicker. So this is how it looks without the I don't know if this is gonna make a difference. I have never used this in my gel before. So this is 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel, and I'm gonna mix that in. I'm gonna give it a good mix, and then I'm gonna go in with my essential oil, raised rosemary, and I'm gonna add like 5 drops. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot, I want to add vitamin E. I want to add vitamin E oil in there also. So I'm gonna add in there. These are my gel. I added them to this little container in opposed to the mason jar. I like this one. I like this container better. Yes guys, so I'm gonna add them to my fridge. I will come back and show you what the consistency is after it gets a little cold. It's gooey, but it's still a little bit, you know, runny. So this is gonna last, the shelf life of this, like in the fridge, is 14 days. Yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys in a little bit. So this is my gel. It's been in the fridge overnight. I just wanted to show you guys the consistency. I'm just gonna use a spoon, and this is what it looks like. It's a little bit more runny than I would like it to be, but yeah, it's a kind of fail. But I will make this soon. I'm gonna do a twist out with it and see how that turns out. I'll make that video for you guys. So and this is supposed to be stored in the fridge and used by 14 days. That's the life that it has, because it doesn't really have any preservatives in there. So used by 14 days. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and if you're new here, like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.